Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com CRO as well as the overall crypto market as a whole. I also want to talk about some cool polls that I ran over on Crypto Twitter at 333Blacksea. Let's hop into this video. So over on Twitter, I ran a poll of question for the CRO fam: how much CRO is a lot of CRO? And we came down to a million CRO. I just thought this was a fun poll. Go over to my Twitter at 333Blacksea to go participate in this poll. We have 2 days left. I'm really curious to kind of see the lay of the land on what people's grasp is of what is a lot of CRO coin. I'm very, very curious. And let me know in the comment section below if you want me to leak how big my bags are for CRO, because I've been holding for a very, very long time, and I'm still accumulating through the staking on my DeFi wallet, but I have not been accumulating anymore. I'm going to wait a little bit longer until we get a little bit closer to the Bitcoin halving. I'll tell you about why I'm going to do that shortly. I also had not a poll, but I had a tweet about the main city leaderboards, because it's pretty crazy. Some of you guys are going really, really hard on this game, and there's lots and lots of players, and the person in the lead is in the lead significantly. He has many, many, many more coins than he had in this post right here. I think he is at something like 8 point something A. I don't even know what that stands for, to be honest with you. I think the Q is like quintillion. But very, very cool stuff to see. I really like to see you guys posting on my Twitter at 333Blacksea, letting me know where you're at, because it's fun. It's a fun game. It's really successful right now. It's the talk of the town, and I really like it. I like seeing everybody enjoying something and having something cool and fun to do during the bear market, especially in like the depths that we are in right now. But let's check out the overall market, because right now we are trading just barely below 26,000. We're at $25,699.80. Bitcoin dominance level at 48.21%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're trading at about 50.21%. I do expect Bitcoin dominance level to increase as we get closer to the Bitcoin halving, which means that the altcoins are going to bleed. And that is why I am not buying CRO coin right now, and I'm staying away from other altcoins as well. I am layering into Ethereum a little bit, but I would like to make the argument that Ethereum is not an altcoin. It's basically it's a different thing than Bitcoin. It's a blue chip, I would say. It's definitely a blue chip. I don't like to categorize that with smaller capped altcoins. I don't even like to categorize Ethereum with CRO coin, and I'm a CRO coin bull. But I'm being very, very patient when it comes to loading my positions into altcoins right now, because I do believe that we have more downside. I do think that there's a chance here that we come down all the way to $21,250. I think that there's a very, very possible chance that we chop around here and capitulate down before we can make our move to the upside. I think there's a good chance of that happening, especially how the macroeconomics of the world is right now, especially with Jerome Powell being extremely hawkish in his verbiage during these FOMC meetings. I think we're going to have more rate hikes. I think we're going to capitulate down on the S&P 500, and that's going to bring down Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin comes down, you guys know the drill. All the other altcoins come down much more heavily. And I will say, I have been saying, that I don't think the altcoins are necessarily going to come down significantly. Not all of them, but I do think that a lot of the selling pressure is gone at this point. But I do think that there is more room to tumble. I think that we could come down a little bit. I think that maybe we could get into the 4 cents area, 4.5, 4.8 cents area, maybe lower. Time will really tell, guys. We're going to have to see. There could always be a large, bullish catalyst event that decides to bounce us to the upside, like the approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF. But like I've been saying, this Bitcoin spot ETF is becoming such a focal point in the narrative that I'm almost getting uneasy about it. I almost think that that's going to be a sell the news event, which is unfortunate. But even if it is a sell the news event, if it happens before the halving, I'm okay with that. If it happens at the peak of the next cycle, I'm okay with that. But right now, if it were to come out, I think that it might bounce us up, but I don't think it would last. I really don't. And we can't even have a Bitcoin spot ETF be approved for X amount of days. I believe it's something like 280 days after it's appealed. So we have time, guys. We have time on our side. I'm not accumulating altcoins right now. I'm making that very, very clear. I'm dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Not financial advice, but I put my money where my mouth is, and I'm letting you guys know what I am doing. So, guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please follow me at 333 Blacksea over on Twitter. I'm very, very active there right now. I love interacting with you guys. I love running these polls, kind of seeing the lay of the land. It's a nice little exercise to see what everybody's thinking in the space. Also, please consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord. We have NFT Alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with CryptoKip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, we're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin to our loyal members each and every month leading up to the Bitcoin halvening, guys. Very excited for that. That's all I got. See you in the next one. Bye.